with where we left, and I'm very happy that you're able to create your first dashboard. And that's dashboard is for like, your own e-commerce website, right? That's, Sai e-commerce. Why I'm not able to see the heading? What happened to it?
Yeah, no, I think it went above. I don't know
Uh,
why.
okay. So what you can do, just try
Hmm.
to scroll it down. Press Control A, and when you press
Control.
Control A, you should be able to move your mouse and then just try to bring them down, and let's see if you're able to see it now. Press Control A. Yeah. Now use your down arrow. No, use a down arrow, right? Press Control
Hmm.
A and then use down arrow. See if you're able to see. Huh? Press down arrow. Yeah. Continue to move it down. Use down arrow key. Yeah, you're right. Actually, no, I think by mistake you were able to you
Hmm.
moved it up, and actually it overflew the canvas surface, right? That's the reason you're not able to
Oh,
see it. It's okay. That's fine. Scroll it down, but I see that you're still not able to. There should be some
ah,
distance between the top edge of your, text box and the top edge of your canvas, right? Scroll it down a bit.
hmm.
Scroll it down. Press Control A. Control A. Scroll down. Scroll down. Yeah. Looks better now. Looks better to me now. Right. Yep, I can see it's little better. Yeah, looks better to me now. Great. So have
Hmm.
you already
Ah,
saved this dashboard?
oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can press Control S, or you can actually go to File, Save, or there is also a button at the top, right? Save. And when you press
Ah,
on the save at the top, you should be able to save it, right? Look at the
yeah, I
top. Yeah, I
saved.
see. Okay, all right. So let's
Ah,
work on another dashboard. Okay. I
hmm.
think you're able to do fairly well. And
Hmm.
since you actually understood the basics, right? How do things work?
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
so I would be giving you one more data set. Okay,
Hmm.
that's again on the CSV side, because we would be focusing more on preparing the dashboard, right? And this dashboard is on HR analytics. So let me quickly give you the Excel file, okay, or the CSV file, I would say. Okay, let
Hmm.
me let me send it to you on Skype.
Hmm.
And